These are not your average meatballs. Our Italian meatballs are unapologetically huge, ridiculously tender, and so juicy in the middle. Stick with us because you're gonna wanna make these. Start with crushed saltine crackers and milk, which makes them super tender. Then grind a generous tablespoon of fennel seeds and cook it with onions, lots of garlic, and olive oil until everything smells sweet and the onions are soft. Now combine ground pork, ground beef, chopped parsley, grated Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, cooked onion mixture, and the crackers and milk. Get in there and mix well. Divide the mixture by 4 and roll into 4 large balls. Add them to a baking sheet and bake until lightly browned on top. While they bake, we make our sauce with olive oil, shallots, more garlic, and pepper flakes. When the shallots are soft, stir in Italian seasoning, white wine, chicken stock, and crushed tomatoes. Finish with basil and you've got your sauce. It's honestly so good. Now take the partially cooked meatballs out of the oven and transfer them to the sauce to finish cooking. This adds flavor to the sauce and keeps the meatballs juicy. Win-win. Slide them into the oven and cook until done in the middle. It doesn't take very long. Now serve on a plate with extra sauce, more cheese, and basil on top. Save this one. You're gonna love them. See you next time.